Why companies are switching from manual to automated material handling. Manual handling is losing ground fast as most successful companies come across the efficiency of automated material handling systems. Manual material handling requires the labor workforce to transport objects in a vehicle or a warehouse manually. Some of the disadvantages of a manual material handling system are that they limit a company's operational productivity and efficiency and put employees at high risk for accidents and injuries. Conversely, automated material handling systems limit the physical movements in the order fulfillment process, which signifies that they will minimize additional costs, boost your revenues and production flow, and increase worker safety. In addition, automated handling enhances all your supply chain operations by boosting your overall accuracy and profitability, indicating it is a wise investment for your manufacturing or warehouse facility. Most manufacturing and warehousing facilities are gradually switching from manual to automated material handling systems, and for good reasons. The advantages of automated material handling systems significantly outweigh those of manual material handling systems. Manufacturing entails numerous steps along with the different stations during the material's life cycle, which must be transported to each subsequent step. If this is done solely by human efforts, it can be repetitive and monotonous, costly, and result in poor use of labor. An AMHS aims to solve these issues and provide a significant array of benefits, like improved cycle times. The material does not need to wait to be carried by the operations. An automated material handling system owns this responsibility. It frees operators to attend to other important tasks within their assigned areas. The time it usually takes to transport from one step to another becomes repetitive and predictable over time, which helps improve cycle time estimates and enables you to make more precise due date estimates for customers. Reduced contamination. Some manufacturing environments are susceptible to particles in the air that can be easily generated by workers' movements. As a result, they can contaminate the products being manufactured. Thus, efforts to minimize unnecessary movement can significantly aid particulate-sensitive environments, such as semiconductor manufacturing, in achieving Class 1000, Class 100, or Class 10 certification. Maximize space. Space within the production floor is essential for ease of movement of products and equipment. Automated materials handling systems, such as lifts, make it relatively easier to store products and materials. It enables you to stack items high and easily access them, opening up additional storage space and workspace in your plant or warehouse. Storage and handling equipment like stackable frames can make the most efficient use of space on the production floor as they assist with holding items that aren't being transported. Easier location of the material. A true AMHS includes the implementation of material and carrier tracking systems. This is particularly helpful with significant volume manufacturing, with the automated systems constantly keeping track of the whereabouts or the last known location of a given carrier, material, or part. The AMHS can be used to find stuff that is missing due to disabled or damaged identifiers. Increase warehouse value. The resale value of your equipment and warehouse significantly increases with automated material handling systems. Under any circumstances, if you decide to sell your workplace, having automated handling systems in place will undoubtedly attract many buyers. Moreover, it also means you can quote a significantly higher price for the individual pieces of equipment or the full package. More effective quality control. In contrast to performing manual quality inspections, automation is much more accurate. Manual inspections are highly prone to human errors, primarily because sometimes workers aren't paying their full attention or any defective product has somehow slipped through the cracks. Luckily, automated quality inspections use technology to detect errors that reduce rework and product waste. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.